To create a document, click Add New. Provide a name for the document and choose a file from your computer. Decide on an icon and write a description about the document. As with other objects throughout the web portal, documents may be given an external ID and restricted to groups. Download on demand is not recommended if your users will be working in conditions with limited access to Wi-Fi or data. With this option enabled, the app will attempt to download the document when the user taps the interaction. When disabled, the documents will be downloaded and stored on the next server sync event, making them available even while offline. By default, documents will appear on the main screen of the app. You may hide them by enabling the option Hide from Users. You then control where the document may be accessed, either through an interaction in a form or shortcut on another screen, such as an icon board. Click Create Doc. As with screens, docs have test mode, publish mode, and a version history.